Sabay sabay. Say happy birthday, Flora. Flora Pax naman. Okay, dito na muna tayo sa My Seven Girls. So yung kasali sa My Seven Girls, maganda na. Froilan, dito ka. Tito Wena. Tito Wena. Nadali yung tugtugayan din. Muna ka sa'yo. I see Jana Adante. Yan. O, saya. Ayan po si Jana Adante. Sige. Yun yung mga hindi pa nakain. Tope yung gift sa inyo. Tope.
Sayaw. Froilan, tingin dito, Froilan.
Ayan ang ni Mr. and Mrs. Louie Matira. Siya po ay pinsan ng ating celebrant. Si Kay Matira. Our next girl is Hazelyn Adante. Si Hazelyn Adante po ay anak ni Mr. and Mrs. Abia Adante. Siya po ay pinsan din ng ating celebrant. Ayan, si palakpakan naman ho tayo manonood. Our next girl is Charlotte Manalo. Si Charlotte po ay anak ni Mr. and Mrs. Ireneo Manalo. Siya po ay pinsan din ng ating celebrant. Sige po na tayo eh. Okay, our next girl is Trisha Ann Abrugena.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Oh, what a lovely day, 'cause it's a special day. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Come on, let's be happy and gay. We all wish you happy birthday. We hope that you will stay as jolly as can be. Happy,
Starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Life is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life
baby, stay with me. I love it. Love game, intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart. I'll get him high.
Para po sa inyong lahat. Na, ayun pong lahat na hindi pa kumakain. Kayo po ay magsagayan doon.
Lumapit na sa akin kung sino mo nabibigyan ko ng bright one. Hindi, yung logo nyo eh. Hawak nyo na yung logo nyo para hindi mawala. Mga bata, ano pa na may birthday ngayon? Roylan. Ilan taon na siya? Okay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, isa pa. May kasamang palakpak. 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to... Palakpakan naman dyan. Say happy birthday, Froilan. Sabay-sabay. Yung super lakas. Yung super lakas. Magdala sa akin ang pinaka-cute na baby. Go! 1, 2, 3. Wala bang pinaka-cute? Hindi kasi hindi pa naglalakad yun. Sa'yo. Yan.